It's Bonnie. I am back. Happy Wednesday. Boy, is the wind bad outside. I see like leaves rolling down my street. It's supposed to get down to like 30 degrees tonight. And I think we're getting snow tomorrow. So I'm kind of getting in the Christmassy mood. I am burning Bath and Body Works butter rum eggnog. This was an oldie. I don't light this one up that often. I've actually got a really good wax pull going on this, and it is performing so well. This is one of my favorite candles. It is the butter rum eggnog with this label. I got to talk about this candle because I am going to put a screenshot up. Bath and Body Works announced yesterday new scents. I don't know what to think of this, you guys. Tipsy Elf. Is it butter rum eggnog? It matches the packaging almost identically. I'm like, there's a little bit of difference. Obviously, the title says Tipsy Eggnog. The wax is pink, and then in the corner, instead of this little table with eggnog, it's got a little elf. So is it butter rum eggnog or not? I'm like dying to know, and we gotta wait until tomorrow to find out. So Candle Day, oh my gosh, there's so much happening right now. In 1 hour, Bath and Body Works is going to do a live on Instagram. I'm actually going to be in the car, not driving. I'm waiting. But I'm going to go on the Instagram live. I'll get all the details, and then I'll be back with some more for some more candles for Candle Day. I'm like so excited to share these. But in the meantime, I am really hoping the Tipsy Elf is in fact butter rum eggnog. The scent notes on this one are spiced eggnog, vanilla bourbon, rich buttercream, and shaved nutmeg. This is like a wonderful combination of Christmas. It's like, it reminds me of what the eggnog must be like in National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. Seriously. I always go back to that movie. I love this one on cold. This came out a couple years ago. Remember in the red jar, it came back. I keep an unburned one usually on my desk at Christmas. I don't have it up here yet. And I just like to smell it unburned because it smells so good. It's like the perfect mix. They didn't put any extras in it. It's just literally eggnog in a wonderful, like, festive way. I am such an eggnog connoisseur. You guys know that. I gotta do some eggnog comparison on my channel. But this one is perfect. It's just a beautiful mix of the nutmeg and the vanilla bourbon and the spices, and it smells absolutely wonderful burning. This one is a really strong throw. I actually liked the red jar. The red jar, I think a lot of people thought was a little bit lighter, but I loved it still. It's just a wonderful candle. So this is a Scooby-Doo mystery. I should be wearing my Scooby-Doo shirt because this is a Scooby-Doo mystery that we'll probably solve quickly. But the question is butter rum eggnog in fact Tipsy Elf? I gotta know, you guys. Bath and Body Works, that was the one they didn't send me. I'm like, darn! I gotta find out what that one is. I'm sure someone out there may know. If you're in the store, you may see it, because they're probably going to start setting out Candle Day sooner than later, because it takes a long time to set everything up. You just won't see the Candle Day prices until Friday morning when Candle Day starts. So anyway, all kinds of exciting stuff happening today. The Bath and Body Works Live is going to start at 3 p.m. Eastern. Check out that. I think it's on Instagram, Facebook, and maybe TikTok. I don't know. But kind of check all your social media. I'm going on Instagram. And then tomorrow night, December 1st, sign up for the rewards. Like now. Do it now. Because you don't want to be late. Because I have a feeling if Tipsy Elf is available, that one might sell out. I have a feeling that's the one that a lot of people are going to want to try and get this year. So I will be back later with news about whatever happens during this live. I got to see what happens. And then I will have 6 more Candle Day candles that I will be sharing with you. So anyway, stay warm. Don't blow away. It's really windy out there. I was actually sitting in my car at the gas station and my car's doing one of these. And I'm like, I'm not even moving and the wind is like moving the car. It's terrible out. Anyway, I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.